Hey guys. So here we go. This is going to be an intro video of the way that this course is going to run while we are online. So I first just wanted to say thank you guys for being so cooperative. I know you guys didn't sign up for all of this, and I know that it's just going to take some transitioning into what online learning looks like. Okay. But I have full confidence in you guys as students. You guys always rise to the occasion. So I just know that you guys are going to communicate with me and tell me when things are working and when things aren't working. So we'll just have to be in constant communication. Okay. But I want to show you guys what this class is going to look like, so that when we start getting into content next week, or really this week, that we will be ready to go. Okay. So on Monday, this module 1 is going to be open for you guys. Okay. And what I want you guys to do, and I'm going to click through this. All right. And it's going to look a little bit different because I'm going to have access to everything. Okay. But within this first module, there are 3 things. All right. That are 3 kind of sections that you guys are going to have to complete. Okay. So the first one is just an introductory module, just kind of going through the flow. All right. And this is where this video is going to be, of the way that things are going to be set up. Okay. So if you guys go into this introductory module, all right, what there is going to be is an introductory discussion, and then just a quick review of chapters 1 through 4. It's a 5-question assignment. All right. It is everything from this point is going to be graded for completion. All right. So please make sure that you reference Dr. Kincaid's video about the pass, fail, no completion option. Okay. So do your work, try your best, try to learn, all right, and everything's going to be fine, okay? So this introductory module is just going to have this video, all right? It is going to have you guys do a discussion post, because I'm going to have you guys do a lot of those now, all right? And then a quick submission of this 5-question assignment, okay? But what I really want you guys to see here is the way that I'm setting it up is that you have to do things in a linear progression, meaning I'm going to have you guys watch this video, all right? And after that, then the discussion will be open, all right? And once you complete the discussion, then the review is going to be open, all right? So I'm kind of forcing you guys to make sure that you're really spending some time with the content, okay? When you guys have completed all things, all right, it's going to tell me, it's going to give you guys a check mark. And then I know that once you've completed all those things, all right, you guys get 100% in the grade book for completing this. All right. So it should be easy for us to get some good grades in the grade book. Okay. So that's this introductory module. All right. Now I'm still building section 5.2, but I am going to have you guys look at section 5.1 while I have it. All right. And for those of you that actually put some time in during the enrichment period and you watch the videos for section 5.1, you guys are already good to go. Okay. So my suggestion when you guys are doing this is that you watch the videos on like your laptop or maybe a sibling's iPad or your parents' iPad or etc. All right. And then follow along with the notes. Okay. So that it is almost like you guys are doing the notes with me in class. Okay. I don't think just watching the videos is going to be sufficient for you guys working through, but if that works for you and you guys can understand and still be able to do the homework, then you guys are good to go. Okay. So from there, guys, all right, you guys are going to have to view the notes. All right. And then you are going to have a homework assignment to submit. Okay. So the progression of this section is you guys are going to watch the videos. All right. Take the notes. Okay. And then I know it's out of order, but then I'm going to have you guys do the vocab check-in. All right. Once again, this is for completion. And then you guys are going to have to submit your homework. Okay. Listen very carefully to this, guys. Your homework is now mandatory. Big change to what the syllabus says, but we have to make adjustments. All right. Your homework are the assignments that you guys are going to be submitting. Okay. You do your homework. You make an honest attempt. All right, it's based off of completion. All right, as long as you guys are showing me work and I feel like you guys have actually sat down and did it, then you guys are fine, okay? All right, if you really want to double check to make sure that you are really understanding this, which is what I honestly suggest, is I still have the answer keys in there, all right, so that you guys can do your homework and then check your answers as you go, okay? I think that's going to be the best way for you guys to decide if you understand it or not. All right. I also have a copy of the notes in there so that if you guys miss something on the notes, all right, you have a copy of my answer key on the notes that you guys can do as well. But I suggest watching the videos, even though you have the guided notes there as well. All right. Honestly, I just think the videos of me explaining it's going to be a lot better than you trying to look at notes and understand it. Okay. So once again, it's a progression. All right. It's going to make you watch the videos first. Then it's going to make you take the notes. All right, you can do this side by side, okay? You then have to do the vocab check-in, and then you guys are going to submit the homework. And once you've done all 4 of those things, all right, it's going to alert me that you've done it, and you get 100%, okay? If this doesn't work, this is my first time doing it. You guys have to let me know. All right, please, 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 please communicate with me as much as possible. All right. I am going to be posting a outline of what this module is going to look like. All right, just kind of what is expected of you guys. What do you guys need to turn in? All right, by Friday. I don't think it's going to be too much work, but once again, this is new for me. All right, so if you're really having a hard time keeping up with the pace, all right, we can definitely talk about timelines and et cetera, et cetera. All right, but especially because you guys had access to it a week ago, I think some of you guys are really on pace to have a more relaxed vibe in geometry this week. So once again, just communicate with me. All right. If you have questions, we can set up like a video chat so that we can go through stuff. But I am going to be holding office hours, so hopefully those times work for you. Okay. Hopefully this helps. I'm very confident, I think, in the structure, and I think that it is going to be fine for the age that we're living in right now. All right. It's not going to be ideal. We're not together. All right. But it's going to be fine. Okay. Good luck. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Social distance. Tell your parents and your siblings that you love them. All right. All that kind of stuff. All right. Bye, guys.